What's going on, guys? My name is Ali with 5 Meters Tech, and in this video we are checking out the brand new iPhone 15 Pro. Let's go ahead and unbox this because there's something new inside that. We have to talk about peeling off those familiar stickers and sliding off the lid. The first thing we get is the phone itself. This is the natural titanium finish and material that we'll definitely take a closer look at in just a second. Also inside of unboxing course, the famous designs by Apple and California text stamped on the outside of a small packet of stuff, just a tiny instruction booklet and single Apple sticker in there. And last but not least, arguably the most important new accessory included with an iPhone in recent years, a USB-C to USB-C cable. The new action button. Now this little button just above the volume switch can be customized to do a bunch of different things. Around back, the iPhone's titanium build and finish is all new for this year. The back cover is the same frosted glass we've had, but the housing and frame, that sort of brushed metal look, is the titanium material. If you're unfamiliar, previous iPhone Pros were made of stainless steel. The regular iPhones are aluminum, but this iPhone 15 Pro is now constructed from, as Apple says, the same alloy that spacecraft used for missions to Mars. Obviously, you probably won't be launching your iPhone into outer space, but the titanium housing does make this a very lightweight phone, and it may not be as noticeable on the smaller 6.1-inch Pro, but I know the Pro Max definitely feels a lot lighter in the hand. Physical change, of course, is USB-C. Gone is the Lightning port for charging and pairing accessories. All the iPhone 15 this year have pivoted to USB-C, and honestly, I think this is a great long overdue change. Most of Apple's other major products are USB-C already, and beyond that, this just allows for a sort of universal smartphone plug type. It makes things simple. You can use your friend's Samsung cable. Now you can loan out your iPhone cable to someone else. Everyone has the same cable to charge up their phone. Sure, it'll be a bit of a transition for a while, but I'm super happy with a USB-C iPhone. And I'm excited to have one new universal plug type now. One thing Apple didn't really change on the iPhone 15 Pro this year is the display. We once again have an LTPO Super Retina XDR screen with HDR10 and Dolby Vision content support, and the max brightness remains 1000 nits for the user-adjusted option and up to 2000 nits of peak auto brightness. It's also still the awkward 2556 by 1179 resolution, which is totally fine for a phone at this size, and honestly I'm okay with the same screen as last year. It's a super smooth and responsive screen, 120Hz ProMotion. It's still way brighter than previous year's iPhones, and it's even brighter than some Android devices. 15 Pros this year is of course a new super powerful processor, Apple's A17 Pro. We also get 8 GB of RAM this year instead of 6, so naturally this is of course the most powerful iPhone ever. What's also sort of odd this year is the fact that Apple didn't really mention any better battery life for this new phone. It has just a tiny bit larger battery size, 3274 milliamps versus 3200 in the 14 Pro, but both the wired and wireless charging speeds are the same even with that pivot to USB-C, and there's very little mention of better battery life for a longer lasting iPhone. The camera's hardware-wise this year, actually there's no difference there. The iPhone 15 Pro has the same triple lens camera featuring a 48-megapixel main lens, 12-megapixel telephoto lens, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide. But how you utilize these lenses is camera pretty different, and the picture and videos you capture with them have been significantly improved. What do you guys think? Will you be getting the new iPhone 15 this year? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Of course, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, though be sure to follow 5M Tech if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.